Hi and welcome to this Data Protector 8.1 demonstration video. This time we want to show you how granular recovery for VMware 5.5 works. First of all, you need to make sure that you have all the necessary agents and installations done. Please refer to the integration guide on how all the details work and what kind of prerequisites you have to check for. So at the end of the day, it should look like this. You have a couple of servers installed, like the vSphere servers and Cell Manager and backup servers that you want to use for VMware. Now, if you want to recover something, it usually starts with you have lost something. So let's just say we're connected to server IAM server 2. And somebody accidentally deleted a folder, and that folder had one or more files contained in it. So I'm going to delete that right now and wipe it away from that system. So this folder is gone now. I'm cleaning out the recycle bin to make sure it's completely gone. And for some reason I need to have it back, but just only that folder with the files that are contained in those folders. Now, what we've done is we created a plugin that goes into the vSphere server, and since VMware 5.5, of course, you will be using the vSphere web client now. So this is a new GUI that came out with vSphere 5.5, and we have adapted to that for Data Protector 8.1. Now, if you go to that particular virtual machine, IAM Server 2, you will realize that under Manage, you will see a new tab showing up. Tab is saying HP Data Protector, and that's actually a plugin that we deploy with our agents. If you use that plugin, you have several ways of dealing with data to be restored. The most important one is the Recover Files section, where you can actually pick and choose from content that has been placed in a so-called recovery cache, so that you can browse and restore those single items. So let's do that right now. So we're going to recover files. We're picking any of those items that are in the cache. We check for the right partition if there is more than one. And we browse that data store now. And we are able to look into the full details of that subdirectories. So here we have that docs subdirectory. And down here we should find the manual folder with that particular file that I just deleted. So down here you have all that available. So we can click the individual PDF document, or we click the folder with the document, so we have it recovered in a full compatible way. Now, we can redirect backups or restores to any of those virtual machines, but usually we want to restore to the same virtual server. Of course, we have to give it appropriate access rights, and of course all the passwords that is needed. And we need to tell it in which location it should place the files, because you have full flexibility here on restoring, because you might want to redirect restores to another drive, because maybe that complete drive was lost in that site disaster you might have. You have some conflict handling down here, like if the file exists, you can override, rename, or skip. And what you usually do is you just keep the directory structure, so you just have to point it to the right location, and it will automatically recreate the directory structure for you. So once we've done that, we click on Recover Selected Files, and it will move over to a monitor screen saying that there is a recovery process currently in progress, and it should take us some couple of seconds until it is restored. So actually it is already reporting that the restore has been done. So let's check for that server if we can find that file again. Okay, well, here it is. You have your man subdirectory, and if you double click on that, of course you will find your file that you lost. So this concludes this VMware vSphere 5.5 demonstration on Data Protector 8.1. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.